Well, thanks for inviting me to do this. I'm very impressed with the music scene in Eau Claire, and it's mostly because I noticed the influence of UW Eau Claire and its strong music program. I see the students who've come out of that university, and they're kind of sprinkled throughout the area, and a lot of people might not know that those people have come through extensive training. They've had music theory, harmony, they've had composition, they've had vocal training and instrumental training, and it shows. And a lot of people might not know that all those things and that hard work that they've been doing are influencing the quality of bands. Every time I see a band, and I just wonder, I can hear the quality of music, and I'm wondering if somebody from UW Eau Claire is in the group, and there's probably a good chance that there is. One of the things I can tell is if I am hearing a band and one of the people says, well, I just wrote this song last night, I hope you like it. And I just know that would not be from UW Eau Claire. There's so much in-depth preparation that goes into the music of the music training, and then it shows in the persistence and the quality, the intonation, the instrumentation, the genre. I mean, all you have to do is look at Bon Iver and Justin Vernon and see the different ways, the complexities that you can put together when you have that basic training. And for me, the quality of the instruction at the university, whether it's blues and jazz, it's vocal, it's instrumental, it just permeates the whole community, and I think that's great.